Hey guys, how you doing? So, the next installment of our back to school series, it's another dorm-friendly recipe.
That's right, and today we're going to make a recipe that you're never gonna believe we made it in a microwave.
Wow, cool. So, what ingredients have we got?
We're going to make sukiyaki beef.
Ooh, sukiyaki. It's Japanese, right?
Exactly.
Ooh.
And here are the ingredients. Welcome to Food Paradise! Well, like Jet Li right now.
Yeah,
this
from
is
Chinese Kung Fu, because this is Chinese fish, isn't it, that we're doing?
Yes,
so
today we're going to make something really delicious. It's Chinese steamed fish.
Wow, my mouth is watering just looking at it. So CiCi, why don't you introduce us how we're going to make this?